Hey there, folks. If you're thinking about opening a Truist Bank account, you're in the right spot. Truist is one of the largest banks in the U.S., offering everything from checking and savings to loans and investments. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up hassle-free. Whether you're a first-time banker or switching accounts, this will make it simple and straightforward. First things first, before you start, gather what you need. You'll typically require a valid government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport, your social security number, proof of address, and some initial deposit funds, usually around $50 to $100, depending on the account type. This prep work will save you time and avoid any delays. Now, let's get into the steps. You have two main options, online or in person. If you prefer the convenience of your own home, head to the Truist website. Click on Open an Account from the homepage. Next, select the type of account that suits you, maybe a basic checking for everyday use or a savings for building your emergency fund. Fill out the application form with your personal details, like your name, address, and contact info. You'll then need to verify your identity, which might involve uploading documents or answering security questions. Once that's done, fund your new account by linking an existing bank or making a deposit. If you'd rather go in person, find a nearby Truist branch using their locator tool. Bring your ID and other required documents, then speak with a banker who can guide you through the process on the spot. They might even help you with additional services like setting up online banking. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Compare different account features on the Truist site to pick the best one for your needs, and keep an eye out for any sign-up bonuses or promotions. Also, double-check all your information to avoid errors. And there you have it. That's how you open a Truist Bank account. It's easier than you think, and you'll be managing your finances like a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.